If you're looking to add muscle mass, a mass gainer supplement can be a helpful addition to your diet and workout routine. In this video, we'll explain what mass gainers are, how they work, when to use them, and 5 benefits of mass gainers. A mass gainer is a type of dietary supplement that contains a high amount of calories, protein, and other nutrients. The idea behind a mass gainer is to provide your body with additional energy and nutrients to support muscle growth. Mass gainers are typically used by bodybuilders and athletes who are looking to add muscle mass, but they can also be helpful for people who are trying to gain weight in general. Mass gainers typically contain a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as other ingredients like vitamins and minerals. The protein in a mass gainer helps to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, while the carbohydrates provide energy to fuel your workouts. When it comes to using a mass gainer, it's important to be aware of how many calories you're consuming. It's also important to remember that a mass gainer is not a magic potion that will automatically give you muscle mass. Gaining muscle requires a consistent combination of resistance training and healthy eating. To use a mass gainer effectively, you should take it in addition to your regular meals, and also use it with a workout routine that includes resistance training. In conclusion, a mass gainer is a dietary supplement that can be helpful for adding muscle mass, but it should not be used alone. It should be used in addition to a healthy diet and regular exercise routine. It's also important to be mindful of the calorie intake and make sure you're consuming enough, but not too much. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. We hope you found it helpful. Remember, consistency and patience is key when it comes to gaining muscle. 5 benefits of mass gainers. Increased calorie intake. Mass gainers are a convenient and easy way to increase your calorie intake, which is essential for gaining muscle mass. They provide your body with additional energy and nutrients to support muscle growth. High protein content. Mass gainers typically contain a high amount of protein, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. A protein-rich diet is important for gaining muscle mass and maintaining muscle mass. Convenient. A mass gainer can be a convenient and easy way to increase your nutrient intake, especially if you have a busy schedule. They are easy to prepare, and you can take them on the go. 4. Balanced nutrition. Many mass gainers include a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as other nutrients like vitamins and minerals. This balance of nutrients can help to provide your body with everything it needs to support muscle growth. 5. Enjoyable drink with flavor. Most mass gainers comes in a variety of flavors, so you can find one that you enjoy and thus make it easy to have it regularly, which can be beneficial to maintain consistency in your intake. It is important to note that a mass gainer supplement should not be used alone, and it should be used in addition to a healthy diet and regular exercise routine. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine.